PayPal launches a stablecoin. SRB Miner releases an update improving Dynex solve hash rates, as well as some additional information surrounding Dynex solve that you'll have to stick around for. And BlockX gets listed on TXbit. All that and more on today's episode of Blocks, where I cover all cryptocurrency news from the perspective of a cryptocurrency miner as quickly as possible. Let's get into it. American financial technology giant PayPal has just launched its own stablecoin called PayPal USD. The ticker is PYUSD. This US dollar pegged stablecoin is set to make waves in the crypto industry, and we're here to dive into the details. But before we do, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Blocks. So what exactly is PYUSD? Well, PYUSD will be issued by the Paxos Trust Company and fully backed by US dollar deposits, short-term treasuries, and similar cash equivalents. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain and specifically designed for digital payments and Web3 applications. The best part? It will soon be available to all United States customers. But what sets PYUSD apart from other stablecoins is the question. First and foremost, PYUSD will be redeemable for US dollars at all times, providing users with a high level of stability. Additionally, it can be exchanged for other cryptocurrencies on the PayPal platform, making it even more versatile for crypto enthusiasts. Oh, and don't forget, you'll also be able to transfer PYUSD between PayPal and Venmo, making it super convenient for everyday transactions. PayPal CEO Dan Schulman sees this new stablecoin as a crucial part of the overall payments infrastructure. The company has been on a crypto journey since 2020, and this stablecoin launch could further solidify their position as a major crypto payment giant. Now, it's important to note that while there are various stablecoins available in the crypto market, PYUSD is the first stablecoin launched by a major payment processor. This is a significant milestone for the crypto industry, as PayPal and Paxos are providing the real-world value of blockchain technology. Charles Cascarilla, CEO of Paxos, hopefully I said that right, shared his thoughts on this groundbreaking launch, saying, quote, "With the launch of the first stablecoin by a leading financial institution, PayPal and Paxos are providing the real-world value of blockchain technology. PayPal USD is the most significant leap forward for digital assets and the financial industry, and Paxos is proud to enable this transformative product," end quote. PayPal believes that PYUSD will help accelerate the adoption of crypto payments. And with over 350 million active users, they have a massive user base to target. PayPal has already allowed users in the US and the UK to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin, while enabling payments in these assets as well. However, it's essential to mention that the regulatory environment around stablecoins in the US has been a topic of discussion. While the market already has stablecoins like Tether and USDC with significant market caps, PayPal's entry into the stablecoin space could bring much needed clarity and innovation. Now, we've seen some regulatory hurdles for stablecoins recently, and policymakers are actively discussing a bipartisan stablecoin bill. Nevertheless, PayPal and Paxos have been working closely with relevant regulators since confirming their plans to launch this stablecoin in January of 2022. Of course, throw those tinfoil hats on and take into consideration that it is built on the Ethereum blockchain, which has been under scrutiny for basically being a security and not a commodity. It'll be interesting to see how that plays out from the perspective of the SEC here in the near future. Today, we have some exciting news for all of you using SRB Miner. The latest update, version 2.3.2, is out, and it brings some awesome changes, especially if you're mining Dynex coin. Let's start with the most exciting part, the performance improvement. With this update, SRB Miner version 2.3.2 now offers better performance for the Dynex algorithm. If you're mining Dynex coin, this could mean increased efficiency and more mining rewards. But wait, there's more. SRB Miner has introduced a new parameter called GPU Dynex-R. Now, this parameter is a game changer as it allows you to fine-tune the performance of the Dynex algorithm. You have the flexibility to set the value anywhere between 1 and 16. So it's time to roll up your sleeves and experiment with different values to find that sweet spot for your mining rig. Let us know down in the comment section below what cards you're using and what setting you found to perform the best. Now, you might remember the auto tuner for the Dynex algorithm in the previous version. Well, it's caused some data reporting issues and the developers listened to our feedback. In version 2.3.2, they decided to remove the auto tuner to ensure a smooth and hassle-free mining experience. Kudos to the SRB team for being responsive to the community. Of course, we can't have an update without some bug fixes. SRB Miner version 2.3.2 includes minor bug fixes that enhance the overall stability and reliability of the software. This means fewer interruptions and more time spent mining those precious coins. Now, a quick word of caution. While the new GPU Dynex-R parameter is fantastic for performance tuning, using a higher value could lead to an increased number of stale shares. So keep that in mind while you're testing and check your stale shares before reporting down in the comments that you have amazing performance. We don't want that, do we? To find the optimal settings for your mining rig, you can try a combination of the GPU intensity and GPU Dynex-R parameters. It might take a little trial and error, but trust us, it'll be worth it when you see those mining results improve. On the subject of Dynex, I reached out to some more seasoned mining software developers to ask why they have not implemented Dynex Solve into their miners yet. The developer of BZ Miner stated that the project is undergoing significant changes extremely frequently, which would present too much workload to stay up to date with. It was implied that this is probably due to the fact that the Dynex team is a machine learning project first and a crypto second. This reasoning makes sense as it is stated that Dynex uses a modified version of CryptoNight where 5% of the hashing power is dedicated to solving the blocks and 95% of the hashing power is dedicated to the useful work side of things. The feeling surrounding adding support for Dynex Solve on more seasoned mining software that I gathered is Dynex Solve feels as if it needs more work and testing before it could be considered a mature solution. This makes sense to me as proof of useful work is an extremely new concept. BlockX is now tradable on the USDT market on TXbit. For all you crypto miners who've been eagerly awaiting this moment, the wait is finally over. You can now head over to TXbit and start depositing mined BlockX till your heart's content. For node operators, there is now another option to buy the extra tokens needed to stand up your master nodes. For those who are new to BlockX, let's do a quick recap. BlockX is a new hybrid cryptocurrency that combines a form of staking and mining. It utilizes the X11 algorithm that has been utilized by other more seasoned coins like Dash. What makes it unique is its promise to deliver malware protection, password management, and even driver updates for your personal PC. This sounds extremely interesting for those participating in crypto to secure your system from potential malware, of which a lot comes from the blockchain space. Think of it basically as a crypto version of Kaspersky or some other antivirus/password management software. You can start trading BlockX on TXbit right away by heading to the provided link in the description below. It's time to make some moves and seize those trading opportunities. But before you rush into the trading frenzy, let's talk about some tips to ensure a smooth and successful trading experience. As crypto miners, we know that every move counts. So here are a few points. Do your own research. Before making any trades, it's essential to do your homework. Understand the fundamentals and potential of BlockX to make informed decisions. This also includes checking multiple exchanges like ZEGX and TXbit. In some cases, you can find arbitrage opportunities as well. Set some trading goals. Define your trading goals and strategies. Whether you're looking for short-term goals or long-term holding, having a clear plan can help you stay focused. Do not get emotional about this. Keep an eye on the market. Crypto markets can be highly volatile, so stay vigilant and be ready to adapt your strategy accordingly. Setting stop losses as well as just setting your buy and sells, especially as a crypto miner, can be extremely useful here. Risk management. Crypto trading carries risks, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Be responsible and stay within your risk tolerance. Of course, the best risk tolerance from the crypto mining perspective here is to at least daily sell enough of your mined crypto to cover the power costs, so you don't end up in a position where you can't pay that pesky power bill at the end of the month. Thanks everybody for watching. Please hit the like, comment, subscribe, and notification bells down below. You can check out my daily moves and access to any new coins I may be discovering first over at sonofatech.locals.com. You can also get a free month of locals by purchasing my crypto mining e-course over at sonofatech.com. Thanks everybody for all of your continued support, and I look forward to moving into the halving of Bitcoin in the next cryptocurrency bull run in 2024. I will see you next Tuesday.